I love my job because I like working with people. I'm Howard Harris, orthopedic surgeon, shoulder specialist in the Dallas-Fort Worth market. Our office is in the mid-cities, halfway between Dallas and Fort Worth, so easily accessible to the entire Metroplex area as well as a lot of our rural communities. I really enjoy the opportunity to help identify a problem. Been struggling with something that's been a lot of times physically debilitating from an injury or sometimes for years, and return someone to an active, healthy lifestyle to work or play or do things they love with family. I pride myself to be a shoulder specialist and to provide care for patients in the DFW area in North Texas, and I couldn't be prouder of the team I get to work with to take care of those patients and provide them the highest quality care for shoulder problems.